Hello Middle 1. Today we will study Lesson 1 and Lesson 2 in Unit 2 Statistics. Lesson 1 is called Samples, Lesson 2 the Probability. Okay? First, Lesson 1 Samples. What's the meaning of samples? Samples is a part from society. Okay? Samples is part from anything. Okay? Now we have types of the samples. We have two types here. The first type is systematic sample. The second type is random sample. Systematic, we take our sample by system, okay, by a certain system or a rule, okay. For example, we are in factory and we have boxes, okay, and I want to take samples. I will take the carton number 1 and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35 and so on. Okay, we have system here. Random, I will take any cartons, for example number 2, number 11, number 7, number 13, any carton. Okay, this is lesson 1. Lesson 2, probability. Okay, we studied it before in junior 6 and junior 5 and junior 4 also. Okay, we have here important rule. What is this? The probability of any event, any experiment, for example A, to get its probability of any event, it means what? A number of this event over a total. Okay, probability of A equal number of A over a number of S. Number of S means number of sample space. Okay, just remember some points here. First, the probability of the impossible event equal 0. Impossible event equal 0. Certain event equal 1 or sure event equal 1. The probability of possible event is between 0 and 1, means a fraction. Okay, and the sum of all probabilities equal 1. And let's remember what means prime number. Prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Okay, see here what's the difference between prime number and odd number. Prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, there is no 9 here, 13, 17, but odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Okay, what the meaning of sample space? Sample space means all the outcomes, total of outcomes here. N of S means number of all outcomes, number of total here. Number of A means number of events. For example, to know what the meaning of sample space, coin, we have in coin head and tail. Okay, head and tail. Number of sample space, what? We have head and tail. How many? 2. We have also die or dice. Okay, this is the die. We have here 6 phases. One of these phases we have point here 5 point, 4, 5, 6, 3. We have here sample space. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 phases. The number of all phases, how many phases? 6. Okay. Example number 1. If we have here box and on it 6 balls red, 5 balls green, 8 balls blue, 3 balls yellow. Okay. If one of these balls is chosen randomly or blindly, okay, from the jar, what is the probability of choosing red ball, green ball, blue ball, yellow ball, non-yellow ball, black ball? Okay, now solution. We have here red 6 balls, green 5, blue 8, yellow 3. Sum of all balls 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 equal 22. The number of red equal 6, number of green 5, number of blue 8, number of yellow 3. Number of sample space 22. Now probability of red, how many balls in red, 6 over the total. Number of red over the total, 6 over 22. In calculator will be 3 over 11. Now probability of green. The probability of green here. Probability of green, how many balls in green? 5. Then 5 over the total, 22. The probability of blue, how many blue? 8. 8 over 22. In calculator will be 4 over 11. Here, probability of yellow, 3 over total, 3 over 22. Probability of not yellow. Not yellow means any balls except real. Except real. All of these balls. 60 plus 5 plus 8 equal 19 over 22. Probability of black. There is no black. Then a number of black, 0 over 22 equal 0. Another example here. In an experiment of throwing a fair die once and observing the other face, find the probability of number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, prime number, even number, odd number, divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Okay. Solution. First, there is a die and sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of sample space 6. Then any probability over 6. Okay. Then here the probability of 1, how many faces has 1? 1 over 6. Probability of 2, how many faces has 2? 1 face. 1 face on its 2 points. Okay, 1 face. Then 1 over 6. Probability of 3, 1 over 6. Probability of 4, 1 over 6. Probability of 5, 1 over 6. Probability of 6, 1 over 6. Now probability of prime. Which number from 1 to 6 is prime? 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. We have here 3 numbers. 2, 3 and 5. 3 numbers, then 3 over 6 would be half. Probability of even. How many numbers even from 1 to 6? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 3 numbers, then 3 over 6 equal half. Probability of odd. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 3 numbers also, then 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. Probability of divisible by 3. Which number divisible by 3? We have 3 and 6. Then 3 and 6. 2 numbers, 2 over 6 equal 1 over 3. Okay. Thank you. Middle 1.